Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to check out the channel trailer where I explain everything that is in this channel. Basically, I'm a homeschooling mom to 3 children and I make videos on homeschooling, tips and answers, curriculum reviews, homeschool day in the lives, and things like that. But I am here to talk to you guys about a new series that I am doing that will last for the rest of July and go into August. And this series is for new homeschoolers, people who are deciding to homeschool or who are forced to homeschool or feeling forced to homeschool now with all the changes that the schools are going through. I know that the upcoming school year there's gonna be a lot of changes, and I know that a lot of you guys have just decided or you guys feel like you're forced to homeschool, and I know that there's a lot of questions and nervousness, and so I'm creating the series for you guys to answer questions such as, is virtual school the only way to go? How do I homeschool multiple kids? How do I homeschool multiple age ranges? How do I homeschool when I have a toddler? How do I choose the best homeschool curriculum, and how do I set up a homeschooling space? I'm gonna be answering questions like this in the upcoming 2 months for you guys, doing at least 2 videos a week. If you guys have any other questions that I don't get to, make sure that you leave it in the comments of this video, or you can find me on Facebook or Instagram as well. My information is in the description below. If you're already a homeschooler, I am also making a series for you guys to prepare you for your upcoming school year. I'm gonna give you a tour of our new homeschool room. I'm gonna compare history curriculums for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my Good and the Beautiful science units and different things of that sort. So I have something here for everybody. Make sure that you guys pass this channel around. If you know people who will benefit from it, please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. The reason why that's important is so that every time I record a video for you guys, especially in this series, you're notified when the videos go up, and that way you guys won't miss it or fall behind. I want to thank you guys so much for your support during this time. I hope to be here for you guys. If you need anything, make sure you browse around my channel for the videos that I already have up. I'm going to put a playlist here on homeschooling tips and answers to your common questions, and I'm going to redo some of those videos with some updated information. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.